Yeah, hi guys, what you see here is my Zodiac MX6 automatic in-ground pool cleaner. I've put it here inside about 4 months ago. I did a couple of adjustments after I had some problems when the pool cleaner got stuck. So I adjusted the length so it does clean the whole bottom but not the stairs, and I've adjusted also the suction power, of course. I've tried with a little bit lower power, I've tried with more power, and so at the moment it cleans the floor but not the stairs and not the full walls. Goes usually up around halfway up the walls, but usually not to the top, and for me that works absolutely awesome. Sometimes when I need full cleaning, then I increase the pressure a little bit, but usually I have it on a lower pressure like that, and it does an absolute awesome job. Of course, every now and then, maybe every week or so, I give a little bit of a manual extra brush along the walls and on the stairs in all the small areas where it cannot really clean absolutely perfectly, but other than that does an absolutely awesome job. And the great thing is, since about 3 months it was never ever stuck again. I just have it here, I don't do anything, just leave it like that, and it's cleaning and cleaning and cleaning, and I've never seen it stuck since about 3 months or so. Absolutely awesome. So full recommendation from my side, and so you can buy it directly here from Amazon. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.